be careful, brother. Bro, brother, big slip. Come here, brother.
I got a London.
Yeah, I don't even remember what I said. Yeah. The wheel spins in this. Oh, come on. Back on a video, and we are back with the Bengali. Let's put some good stuff in. This probably hold like £2 or something. Oh, that's crazy, bro. Oh, I'll make like £3.50 or something. Oh, it's a full tank, yeah. Never mind. £3.65, look, boys. So yeah, if you're seeing this first video, have a look on the channel. This is going to be another bike to the channel. It's a 1250cc, so 1,250. So yeah, I'm going to pay for the fuel and I'll see you guys in a sec. So yeah, I can't lie, we're going to do some busting jokes today, see what happens, get the most fun out of this. I can't lie, I'm busting jokes, bro. Oh, let's see if Fro wants to do a pink slip. Come on. Come on, pull up. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, boy. So yeah. Brother, very dangerous. Turn the wheel spins behind me, brother. Only I can do wheel spins in this. Today, can't lie, we're just rolling, boys. See what happens, innit? Random side quest again. Oh, come on! Come on! You fucking stupid! Come on! Alright, go through the gears, isn't it? Let's go through time. Let's go through time. Brother, be careful, brother! Bro looked at me like, what? Oh man. Oh, bro, I'm gonna be flipping, pink slipping these lot. The line used to hurry up, I can't lie. Brother, come on. Trying to catch up. Oh, nearly died of me, man. Oh, bro, brother, pink slip. Come here, brother. The Everett. You want a race? Want a race? No. Why pink slip? Brother, you just see the horsepower on this. Come on, this is very fast, brother. Brother, this is a machine. Ask if you want a pink slip. Very dangerous, brother. Come here. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Brother! I don't know, bro. I'm willing to give smoke to anyone in this. It's a machine, bro. Listen to the roar, man. Listen to the roar. God damn, bro. They can feel the power in this. Come on! Oh, fuck. I'm the best, bro. Brother, don't get you. Let's make a U-turn. Brother, happy birthday, brother! Come on! Yes! I don't even know who that is, but yeah, shout out. They're feeling the power on this, that's why. Feeling the power on this, boys. Listen to the roar, man. Listen to the roar. Yeah, you like it. Oh my God. That is dangerous machine, brother. Brother! Nah, he's on a, yeah, bird's just chilling. I'm trying to see if anyone pink slips. I'm ready to do some pink slips in this. Acceleration on this here, 0 to 60 and 2 working days. Come on, look at that. Come on, drop on the bit. Drop on the press. Come on, work rate's crazy, boys. Work rate's crazy on this. Imagine that, I didn't even do the launch of this. What did I do? Do the launch of this, boys. There you go. Oh. Here we go for pink slip. What up my nostrils? Yeah, then watch this work rate on this. Straight in, straight Said you're right, yeah?
Yes.
It's busy today?
Just came out like 2 hours ago.
I know. Is it busy?
Sorry?
Is it busy?
Yeah.
Yeah? How long do you work for?
Uber Eats.
Yeah, how long? How long is that a shift?
Like 11, 12 o'clock.
Is it?
But I came later today. In the morning I got London.
Yeah? London? What, on that?
No. My car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. London from here and you're working on this now, yeah? Yeah, I don't even remember what it said. Yeah. Good. Busy. It's good. Yeah. I just heard London and then Bro's saying 11, 12 hours. I don't know. I might be wrong though. I'll have to look back. But I'm sure Bro said come off from London. Or I don't know, bro. But yeah, I don't know, bro. I just side quest, bro. I just chat to anyone. I have to be careful because Duracell batteries behind me. I'm scared. Brother, economical green zone, electric only. Oh, police, brother, not for me. Imagine flipping dip on this. That'd be kind of joke, innit? Just getting right in front of me, there, from there. What am I saying for me? God, they're not coming for me, I'm steaming up. Hold on. No, I can't lift my visor up. Then you know. That was a fail. I laughed that with a speed up the whole time. Private road, by the way. Private road. Close. Oh, that's it. brakes are good. Just testing the brakes. Kitchen. Have a bath while she's in it. Oh my god. Brother, it's very dangerous. Come in. See, this is one thing I don't understand, bro. Really I don't. So locked off on the road, yeah, including that. Bro, they're not even doing nothing. I don't understand it. I literally don't understand it. Woo! These could go anywhere, I can't even to go. This guy, brother, Jesus, not you, bro, making car stop. Jesus, hey, brother, you the best, bro. Just walk straight past. That's the eldest street. Oh my, that's aura right there. Road got aura. Oh yeah, we're back in here now, boy. Yeah, I just want to say a quick one as well, boys. I'm hoping this mic is working now. So obviously previously when out in the rain, the microphone just decided to leave the chat. So obviously when I made this video on this bike, I thought it was plugged in, but it wasn't plugged in, so I apologise for that. But it was still a good video. But yeah, boys. But long story short, I'm gonna end it here. If you like this kind of video, smash the subscribe button. This is something new to the channel. We're going to be making more videos on this, including the other bikes on the channel, so make sure you stay tuned, boys.